I think he ate a little fish. He just is crouched down like he's hiding. Look at the size of that one.
Isn't that crazy?
That is a monster fish. That's such a big fish that he can't even eat it. Tony, he caught a fish down.
Look at that.
He's trying to get it all down.
Trying to get it to break it.
Uh-oh. There's somebody that...
Oh, he caused trouble.
Which, the fishing one?
The fishing one. He had a fish this long in his
Really?
mouth, and he was getting it down, but the crane come in and scared him
Oh,
off.
that's too bad. So, the cranes and those fish don't
They
eat
use
the
it as
bread,
bait,
but they
okay.
come with the bread.
Yeah, they use it as bait to get the fish to come to the surface.
Now watch what he'll do there.
We'll get the other ones away from him. Throw more bread over this one.
Doesn't want to get too far away
No.
from it, does it?
Uh-oh, here comes... Yeah, the duck.
He doesn't want the duck to get it.
Oh, you got a little
yeah.
one. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You got a little fish. I can't believe they could eat that much fish. That one is just so bigger than...
Another one. Little one.
In this shallow, sunlit pool full of fish, how does the green heron decide which fish to strike at? Now, the one on the left might be too big for him, but you can see that he's ignoring one right under his beak that's just the right size. And how do the fish know how close to come and when to back off? Because they see him. He can't pick a fish far away because he's a small heron with a torso no bigger than a football. He's about as big as a crow, but that comparison doesn't take into account his now you don't see it, now you do neck. It affords him more striking range than the fish might expect. This movie won't give you an accurate picture of him hunting because he often stands frozen for 15 minutes. You'd lose interest. The fish do. He counts on that. People talk about having the patience of Job when they might do better to say someone has the patience of a green heron. And his patience does pay off. Sometimes he hides behind foliage, but he's often right out in the open. Can you pick out his intended prey? Not the closest fish, or one lolling lazily on the sand. It will be at the right distance for his neck and not sitting on the bottom. Once he's settled on his prey, his beak slashes forward like a dagger. He has to swallow the fish head first because of its fins. How did he do that? It's like using chopsticks. Imagine yourself holding a wriggly fish by its middle with your forefinger and thumb. Now, maneuver the fish so that its head is facing into the V between your fingers. No problem, says the heron. The heron doesn't spend every minute of the day focused on fish, but when he has young to feed, he spends hours hunched at the edge of the water, waiting to lunge like a ricocheting bullet.